Hi, my name is Fernando and I work for Ramona's.
Hi, my name is Elizabeth and I work for Washington in the Hawthorne District for ICES Education. Today we're going to be planting beans with regular house items. We are going to go over what do plants need.
So what we need is going to be beans, soil, water, sun, and love.
Okay, first we grab our soil and we make sure it's mixed up all the way. And after you think it's mixed up, you grab it and you put it in your container cup. I'm using a cup right now and I'm putting up to like 75% of the soil. After that, make sure it's flat layer and you grab your pinky and you use the first line. So it's 1 and 2.
Then you get 2 seeds, add it inside the dirt, and cover it up. After it's done, you put water in it.
When you put water in it, make sure you water your plant twice a week and gets plenty of sunlight in the window or in the outside.
This is how the beans will look inside the container. Down here, it will grow some root. With proper care and treatment, with a week or 2, it will grow into seedling.
After a seedling, it will turn into a young adult. And after this stage, we need to transfer the plant into a bigger container. In this container, we added a little bit of eggshells as compost, and it acts like fertilizer for the plant and gives it calcium. So after this stage, it'll turn into a young adult and produce more beans, and you'll be able to cut it out and eat them. Happy planting!